Play2Prevent is a video game intervention tool for adolescents. Our topic question is, what are some variables can be used as predictors of adolescents' future misbehavior from the data that captures a player's gameplay decision and progress? We can see the total time users spend in different events happen during game. Game players spend majority of the time in mini-games. This implies that the primary intervention content from which players acquire knowledge to reduce risky behavior is concentrated within the mini-game challenge. Specifically, refusal power is one of the mini-games that focus on improving self-efficacy to resist social pressures, which is related to the keywords we find in the surveys. Therefore, to demonstrate our analysis strategy, we'll focus on data related to refusal power. To gain a general idea of log files with a lot of columns, we first perform a dimensionality reduction method to our dataset for multivariate data analysis. PC1 is a weighted mean of all features. Since the event time and mini-game level vectors are close, the two variables they represent are positively correlated. So we will consider these variables our important matrix for predicting behaviors. In order to examine intervention effect on changes in self-efficacies for drug use resistance, we only select players with assessment scores available. We examined the bivariant relationship among the game levels complete, number of hours playing game in the log file, and assessment score at 3 weeks and 6 weeks. With a lot of missing log file data and limited time between different measurements, we fail to conclude that the number of levels completed or total time playing game can be a good predictors for child's behavior. However, we do see that there is a slight decrease in the S5 mean score as they have completed more levels of mini-game. To sum up, we analyzed the objective data from game. With PCA, we decided to extract some important measurements for the gameplay. It appears that the number of game levels completed would influence the adolescent's self-efficacy. In order to better evaluate the game, we need to increase the span of experiment and incorporate more questions related to scene in each stack.